Thank you for your purchase of Noddy DX scooter. This beautiful product comes with attractive looks, sturdy body base and musical head. This product is easy to assemble in some simple steps. You will also need a piler, nut driver and L key. To start with, take the main body and place front fork to the main body. In the next step, insert two AA batteries to the musical head to activate light and music. Now place handle pipe to main body and tighten it with the help of full-hour nut and bolt. Your beautiful Noddy scooter is now ready to ride. Dash Toys, Dash Ride Kids Pride.